My name is Diana Chenevert. I worked for the Louisiana State Board of Dentistry as an administrative coordinator from 2005 to 2015. I was in charge of licensing, anesthesia permits, all data input, and for the last 3 years of my employment there, I was the records retention manager. I saw board members both filing and directing penalties against dentists that are practicing in their areas. The worst two, and I don't want to speak ill of the dead, but Dr. H.O. Blackwood, and it's the first time I got to meet, where is he? Dr. Haygood. Thank you for, I work for the federal government now, but thank you, Dr. Haygood, for that. And Dr. Gary Chumley, also of Shreveport. Dr. Conrad, he's better known as Chip McVeigh, what he did against Dr. Joey Lacoste, what he tried to do, and chased Dr. Gregory Greenwood out of the state of Louisiana, and Dr. Gregory False, who lost his mobile dentistry practice. I know personal emails were used to conduct and discuss disciplinary actions and complaints against Dr. Haygood. Even though I specifically told staff and board members not to destroy any of the documents once we received the lawsuit information from Dr. Haygood, the information was shredded, pertinent information to his case, and emails, personal emails that were being discussed among the different board members that weren't a part of the committee were deleted from their computers, which is against records retention. Legal and disciplinary documents were destroyed by board personnel. They were shredded. They were put into a big blue bin and brought off to be shredded by company. I heard investigations being authorized by board members against their local competitors without complaints being filed. I overheard Dr. Conrad McVeigh instruct board investigator Camp Morrison to go after Joey Lacoste without any complaints sent in to the board, which eventually chased off Dr. Gregory Greenwood, who is now in Las Vegas practicing. Well, Nevada, sorry. I witnessed personal vendettas by board members against their competitors. I have to discuss school-based dentistry and the board fight against it. The entire fight was a lie created to protect the income of dental offices treating Medicaid kids. This group of dentists teamed up with Dr. McVeigh and other board members, mainly pediatric dentists. It was horrible. After school-based dentistry won the right to practice, the group added dentists to the board who were specifically against this treatment. I doubt any kids would have been treated outside the offices of this group had they won. Honorable dentists were attacked for trying to do good things for poor kids. The company that took over Medicaid, I like to call it the Medicaid Mafia, it's basically run by the pediatric dentist. Dr. McVeigh was the worst of all. He personally sent in complaints using names of existing patients. Once I personally received a fax myself, the complaint was written against Dr. Gregory False. He instructed on his fax to use a fraudulent name for the complaint and a phone number and address that wasn't true. There was unfair and burdensome penalties were given to competitors of board members who actually gave out penalties. Dr. Haygood, Dr. Catherine Southern Beauregard, Dr. Gregory Greenwood, Dr. Wilk.
Let me ask you something. Is this the first time you're telling anybody about this?
No, I was deposed by Dr. Haygood's attorney, and that's the reason.
No, but I mean, did you ever report this to any of the authorities?
No.
You know. I mean, look, I agree.
To?
Well,
No.
I would hope you would.
Yes, I did speak to the Inspector General.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I told the truth.
No, I'm
I
not.
was
I'm
only
not.
one-
I'm not being critical of you. I'm just trying to say that some of the stuff you're telling me about sounds criminal. I know it's violent. I mean, you're talking about destroying public records.
At one time, the executive director was Pete Burkhalter.
Right.
Right before my deposition, he told me he demeaned me, called me dumb, because I'm from Chenevert. He don't laugh. He recorded. I recorded him after so many attacks on my phone, and he told me that I better not tell the truth or would not have a job with the state of Louisiana.
You have that on a recording?
Yes, sir.
Jeez.